was summer 2012. Got this photo on the shelf of you and I. Our friends knew you and I would end. At the end of the month, we said we would run, but then your ride came and they took you away. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. Just a couple 100 miles will separate us for a while, but I believed that we would be back at the end of the year. But it's like you disappeared and you moved on, gone. A new season has dawned. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer. You were mine until the end of the summer. Oh, oh. You were mine till the end of summer. Each day that I passed by that place, I wondered, could we try again, recover? Or was our love only for the summer? The summer, the summer. Oh, you were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer. Oh, the summer, the summer. Oh, like a bed. You were mine until the end of the summer. You were mine until the end of the summer, summer.
Yeah. Unknown Brain, Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day, yeah. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying